The Israeli Uzi is what is known as a second-generation submachine gun, being somewhat shorter and lighter than its predecessors. It was designed by Israel Galili, who borrowed heavily from several of the better Czechoslovakian designs, especially in his use of the telescoping bolt. Galili can hardly be condemned for copying the Czechs so closely. After all, it makes far more sense to copy what works than to waste time on originality that may or may not produce the desired result. Galili added a few refinements of his own and came up with the Uzi, which is believed by many to be the finest submachine gun in the world. First adopted for service in 1950, it has been the standard submachine gun in the numerous Arab-Israeli conflicts ever since. Originally equipped with a wooden buttstock, it is now normally equipped with a collapsible metal stock, although the wooden one is available as an accessory item. Statistical data. Weight. Gun without magazine. With metal butt, 7.8 pounds. With wooden butt, 7.7 pounds. Standard magazine empty, 6 ounces. Standard magazine 25 rounds, 1.1 pounds. Overall length of gun. With metal butt extended, 25.5 inches. With metal butt folded, 18.5 inches. With wooden butt, 25 inches. Barrel. Length, 10.2 inches. Rifling, number of grooves, 4. Sight radius, 12.2 inches. Cyclic rate of fire, 650 rounds per minute. Magazine, there are two types. Standard magazine, capacity 25 rounds. Standard magazine, capacity 32 rounds. Cartridge, 9mm Parabellum Luger. The Uzi submachine gun is designed to fire the Luger 9mm Parabellum round. Many armies have used this cartridge for a long time, and it is now becoming universally standardized. Functioning principle. The blowback principle has been adopted for this weapon. In this type, the breech is not mechanically locked, but the breech block is relatively heavy, and its mass prevents the breech from opening effectively until gas pressure in the barrel has fallen considerably. Firing. The weapon can be fired in two ways. Either semi-automatic, single shot, or fully automatic. The change lever is on the left side of the pistol grip. It can be set with the thumb or the right hand when this hand is holding the weapon.